What's up, cousins? Welcome back to the channel. So y'all, we will be doing a pretty little things haul today. A couple of pieces that I picked up that I really like. So if you are new here on this channel, honey, I am Shauna T, and we talk about all things business, plus size fashion, and everything in between. So do me a couple, 2-3 things, honey. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and baby, make sure that you comment in the comment section down below because I'm gonna talk back. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this haul. So y'all, it had been a minute since I actually shopped at Pretty Little Things, and I picked up some pieces, and I was kind of skeptical on the scale about them when I picked them up and got them, just because of the sizing. Like with Pretty Little Things, I didn't know if I needed to get my regular size or if I needed to size up or size down. So in all of the pieces that I got, except for one piece, I got my regular size, which is a size 24 in it. And let me just say this, for all of my cousins who don't know, my height is 5'5", and I normally wear a size 22, 24, and I will lean on a 24, just depending on who makes it, where I'm getting it from, the material, and all the things. So just so that y'all know that up front. But like I was saying, only one piece that I got, which was the jumpsuit that I'm going to show you all, I got that in a size 26. So let's jump into the very first piece. So y'all gonna see me looking down because I do have my phone. It's got my notes on it. So let's go ahead and get off into it. Okay, so we're gonna start with the jumpsuit. Y'all, this jumpsuit is a whole statement piece. So the only takeaway that I have with this jumpsuit is right in the boob area. It's just a tad bit big, but it's not big like it's going to fall over or anything like that. Probably something a little needle and thread can fix. You can go in, needle and thread, and make it tight if you desire for it to be a little bit tighter around this, because the jumpsuit is a halter jumpsuit. So I did get it in a size 26, and the reason that I got it in a 26 is because it is a jean material, and I will say that the jean material with this jumpsuit, it is a tad bit heavy for the summer time. I will say that unless you are going to like you know, an indoor event or something along those lines, then you will be completely fine. But do not wear this jumpsuit outside to no type of event or anything like that, because in my opinion, the material of this particular jean is a little heavy, which is another reason rather why I sized up, just so that I could personally make sure that I had room in my stomach area. But other than that, that's the only takeaway that I have from this piece. But I love the detail. I love the feel of this jumpsuit. It's giving sexy, honey. It is giving sexy, okay? If you guys look at the legs, and I'm gonna pop up and show y'all the model on the website as well, and then of course me wearing it too. But the bottom of the jumpsuit, the pants, they are a very baggy type of pants within the leg, which I absolutely love, because you know sometimes when you get jumpsuits, they'll be a little tight on you. And also around the detail, it does have a strap. The strap does snap at the very bottom of the jumpsuit as well. It has these big pockets. It's giving like a 90s feel with this jumpsuit, the big pockets on it. And as you guys can see, I just accessorized it with some gold, a gold necklace, gold watch, gold earrings, and then I threw in my Aldo bag that I have as well. And I know y'all can't see my shoes, but I just have on just a standard like tan heel, because even when I walk, you really can't see my shoes because of the bagginess of this pants leg on the jumpsuit. But y'all, I love this jumpsuit. It's got pockets where you can put it in. The pockets are deep, they're functional. All the pockets that you see are all functional on this jumpsuit. So this is actually one of my favorite looks that I picked up from Pretty Little Things, and I will give this a 10 out of 10 for this jumpsuit because I like this one a lot. And the next piece is actually the piece that I am wearing now, which is a green dress, y'all. It has ruching detail in it. I love this one a lot. This one here, I got a 24 in, and I'm glad that I did get a size 24 in this dress because it is just slightly loose, but it's a good loose to where you can be comfortable. You do have the option to wear shapewear with this dress. I always recommend shapewear because it does give you a smooth look in your clothes. That's just my personal preference. That's my personal preference. I know some of my cousins be like, girl, I'm not putting no shapewear on, and it's okay. That's okay. But with this dress, it's simple, and you can definitely accessorize this dress in so many different ways. I chose to go with gold with this dress as well. And these shoes that y'all see me wearing are the same shoes that I actually have on up under the jumpsuit that I literally just told y'all about. But the ruching detail on this dress is always a plus. So if you guys know nothing about ruching detail helps out, you know, just some of your imperfections, especially like in the midsection area. It helps cover some of those imperfections. So fall in love with ruching because it is a thing. Now the material on this dress is very lightweight for these summer months, and I also think that this color is a great color to transition as well into the fall with. So if you're going out, you can easily throw on some boots with this or a denim jacket with this as well, because this is a short sleeve. So this is a great transition dress and a great summer dress that you can wear to lots of places and easily accessorize with it as well. So this dress, I give it a 10 out of 10 because I like it. I didn't have any takeaways with it because it's a very simple dress, and dresses are a go pretty much always because they're simple. It's a one piece and you can easily accessorize these. And then the last piece that I picked up from Pretty Little Things was what I call is just your everyday go-to dress, whether you are running your errands, dropping the kids off at school, going on a quick little lunch date. It's just a plain, simple black dress. And as you guys can see, I actually styled mine with a lime green purse and some sandals just to give it some color because it is a black dress. But y'all, this dress is super comfortable, like really, really comfortable. And yes, even though it is black, the material on it, it has a nice feel for the material on this dress. Now the details on the side of the dress, it does have splits on each side of the dress, which I thought was a cute little detail. Now also with this dress, I really wish they had it in more colors too, y'all. So I'm gonna keep checking their site to see if they put this back in more colors, because these are something that I can quickly wear to go to my office in, to pack orders in. Like, it's just the comfort of this dress. And baby, if y'all know nothing else, I am in my comfortable girl era at this moment, okay? But you can throw some sneakers on with this dress. You can even get you a little dad cap and put it on with this dress, and crossbody bag. Like, it's so many different little ways that you can just wear this, what I call like a little lounge dress. So I really do like this dress, and I really, really hope that Pretty Little Things does put this into more colors. And they probably could have had it in more colors, y'all, and it could have sold out, and I was only able to catch the black one when I went on and I placed my order. But these are my 3 pieces that I picked up from Pretty Little Things. I do have another order that I placed with them, and I'm going to come back and share with y'all some pieces that I did pick up and reorder, since this was a great haul for me. So fingers crossed, the next pieces that I get, hopefully that is a great haul as well. And I'm also going to show you all some accessories that I picked up. Now the accessories that I picked up are from a black owned, woman owned brand. They're from a black owned, woman owned brand, and they are just some earrings. And if y'all know nothing else, accessories are, they make the outfit. Let's just say that your accessories make the outfit. It helps bring your outfit to life as well. So I am going to show y'all, I got them right here, y'all. I picked up these earrings, and hopefully you guys can see them very well. I picked up these earrings. They're really funky. That's the first pair that I picked up, and I also pop up a video as well of me actually wearing the earrings so that you all can see. But these are just really funky pieces of jewelry. Like I said, that will bring your whole outfit to life. That black and white is a whole staple. Y'all got that upside down. That black and white is a whole staple. Listen, like you can really play with these earrings a lot. You can put them with prints. You can put them with loud colors. You can put them with solid colors. Just anything to bring out your outfit. These are definitely a go. And these are the third pair of earrings that I picked up. These are just gold, super cute earrings. And so though I wanted to show y'all that just in case you all needed to pick you up some accessories with your outfit. But I love those earrings. So if you are a person who loves big, chunky, funky earrings, jewelry that you can wear with your outfits, I will make sure to have her information down in the description box below. And y'all be sure to go and support her. She has some really nice pieces that you guys can shop. She just doesn't have those. Like she has some of the tassel earrings as well too. So I know that she does have a Esty shop where she sells all of her earrings, and I'll put her Instagram information down there so you guys can go and follow her as well. But y'all, everything that I talked about today, the pieces from Pretty Little Things, I have each one of those linked down below. And also the sizing. I will also link my shoes that I have on because I got my shoes from Macy's. At the time of me recording this video, those shoes are actually still on sale for $64. I bought them at $129. So hopefully y'all can catch the sale at Macy's, okay? But cousins, listen, as always, honey, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for shopping my links. And baby, listen, remember, any room that you walk in, make sure that you walk in that room boldly and confidently, baby, and own that room. All right, cousins, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.